She said she liked to do what first? Repeat?
What's your name?
My name's Tina.
Alright. Where you come from?
We come from Sweden.
Sweden.
Me what?
Me a one
Me?
girl.
A one girl?
Yeah.
Me a wanga.
Girl.
Me a one girl. Like a girl. You say girl.
You do the long way round to buy the whiskey for the way.
Yeah.
You're in Texas. So you're vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
No,
Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up?
It's my latest subscriber. Her name is.
My name's Tina.
Yes.
Nah, no money, so I cannot come down.
Teach you Spanish 101. Ready?
Spanish?
Spanish.
Spanish. Patwah. Creole.
Creole 101.
Creole 101.
You ready now?
She said she liked to do what first? Repeat?
What's your name?
My name's Tina.
Alright. Where you come from?
We come from Sweden.
Sweden.
Where you like to do?
Yeah, that's it.
No, answer it fluently.
What do you like to do?
I like to travel.
Mm-hmm.
I like to hike.
Mm-hmm.
I like to eat.
Mm-hmm. Food. Alright, you ready now?
Yeah.
You want me to tell you this? We like go all heap of places.
Yeah.
We like to yam.
Yeah.
And we like to sleep out.
No, that's how she said?
Mm-hmm. Hike. Hike is basically you go and
How do you say it?
Hike.
sleep out.
No, hike mean climbing mountains,
Climbing
bro.
mountain. Oh.
Yeah.
You look like a caveman.
No, it doesn't climbing mountains or like hiking. Hiking. What's a hiking in Jamaica, bro? What's a hiking in Jamaica? You can't be like
Hiking?
that. Yeah. So look how much time I said I want to go hiking. I'm just go over Portmore and climb what the Portmore name over there, sir?
That are you not fancy rich girl.
I'm not rich.
We talk about Jamaican.
Am I not Jamaican?
Yeah, you're Jamaican, but you ain't.
Not giving them a brand deal.
Jamaican.
Excuse me. As you were saying?
No.
I get the brand deal. That verse.
You cannot get true juice, no branding.
Can I not get a free juice?
Who knows? You don't know what true juice might do. Alright. So, alright, I'm teach you Jamaican. You ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So, first, if you like to travel,
Yeah.
you will say, I like go all heap of place.
Good.
Me a boy, I like go all heap of place. I like go all for different place. Me is like one girl, I like go all for different place.
Yeah.
That's what you say. Me a one girl, love go different place. Say it.
Me a what?
Me a one
Me
girl.
a one girl.
Yeah.
Me a wanga.
Girl.
Me a one girl. Like a girl. Like you say girl, you will say girl. Me a one girl.
Me a wanga. What does that mean?
A girl mean girl or woman.
Right.
But in Jamaican they emphasize when they say girl.
Right.
So you will say me a one girl.
Me a wanga.
Me a one girl.
Me a wanga.
Girl.
Yeah.
Don't try
Yeah.
to. Yeah. Don't
Yeah.
try to pronounce it. Just say girl.
Yeah.
Don't try to pronounce it so you're going to say it if you
just
try
say
to pronounce
If you
it.
try to farm the word and say girl, you say two these. So me a one girl.
Me a wanga.
You love go all heap of places.
Love.
Love go.
You love go
Love go.
all heap of places.
All heap
All eat.
a
Places.
place.
A places.
Place.
A place.
Place
All
is
heap
still
of
sound
Yeah, yeah. All heap of
formal.
All eat a place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me a one girl love go all heap of place. Say. Me a one girl
Me a
love
one
go.
girl.
Me a one girl love go all heap of place.
Me a one girl. Love go.
All heap of place.
All per place.
Yeah, yeah, you get it.
She get it.
Alright, say. Me a one girl love go.
So yeah.
Oh, you wanna
I got
You
it,
got
man.
Oh, yeah, so
Wanna
now
share
you
mine?
What's that you having?
Because I'm not going to eat all of this. You want to share it?
Sure, no.
What's this one?
You don't want to share? You don't want ice cream?
Park.
Yeah, fuck.
Fuck.
Alright, here we go on, here we go on.
Fuck.
Vloggers, look at now. Fuck.
Yeah. Oh, and
Yeah, no, this I'm gonna eat ice cream.
Wood fuck, brother.
Do you have a fork?
Oh, there's a fart. You want some more? Can you open it?
So hold it on, John.
Hold on, let me try it.
What's that, chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate.
Non-dairy.
There you go.
You want ice cream, Mike?
But it's sharing now, so you don't.
Like for real?
What?
It's sharing now, so you don't.
Oh no, that's
Like
all good.
free,
That's
yeah.
probably no.
Alright, people.
No.
You see,
I
what
saw
you
those
know in
eyes,
an
though.
ice cream joke vlog, I'm gonna say if he post this pan vlog and he don't eat none of ice cream whatsoever, all I know.
Subscribe to
Chocolate, so that's perfect.
Yeah. Honestly, no, I don't.
How much is it?
That's alright.
Not that one. That's that
700.
one.
Oh, so that's that.
You wanna see that?
What name?
Let me see price of this one.
Ripper.
What on there?
You have ice cream.
I bought 3 things.
3 fat, 3 on. Creamy. I love you. Yeah?
They're too close to you.
Yeah,
$50 cream.
creamy.
$50 cream. Every Sunday you walk past and play hard papa.
Just come with $50 cream anytime. No, dude,
$800 for this, bro.
I would love to take you guys.
She got it. She got it. Are you serious?
No, like 3,
Like,
4,
how much was it? 300?
300.
800.
340.
Bro.
These are the ones.
$100.
Those are the
Okay,
ones.
you want me to bet? Okay, you want me to bet? I'll wash this out right now.
Can afford that cream for $100.
And I will go and use 100 on full the shit.
3, 4.
What did I pay for it?
Yeah.
This? The
It's
fucking
fine.
plastic?
Plastic? Yeah.
The song with it?
I got the ticket to the long way round to buy the whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. Oh, I'm leaving tomorrow. What you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone.
Isn't it beautiful?
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Yo.
Me and my
You write
friends
your own
could,
lyrics
like,
sometimes?
Come here, time.
Yeah, look. That's fine.
My time?
Yeah, your
But that's
time.
not
So
mine.
you ready for my time? Okay.
Okay, we got your time.
My time? My
Yeah.
time?
Well, drop it down. Oh, that was so choppy. What think you gonna sing a song, bro? You see? You're not from Jamaica. It's like a cut. No song, alright then. No song, alright then. Ooh. Selector.
Okay, you do that. Okay.
Get like a little fork. You gotta get a fork and be like,
Oh,
Are you going to be fucking?
no. Please. See, we're professionals here.